Division 4A1.
With great pleasure, and I'm honored to see you all. Salamat po with all your efforts of coming here to grace this occasion. Thank you so much with gratitude. Maraming pong salamat.
Of Division 4A, I now call this mass installation and induction ceremony to order.
Of the golden rule in all human relationships.
We have Mayor Dino Reyes Chua, our guest honor speaker. Si ating pong pinakamamahal na LT Governor, Abraham B. Orubio. President-elect Errol Drimares, Imus Capital City. Margie Hinundayan, a visitor of Imus Capital City. From Imus Speak, nandiyan na po ba si President Amor Bono? We have also the past president and member of the board of directors, Renato Samson, Peter Rabaca, past president of Media Tax, Marieta Espejo, Sheena Marie. Ito po hindi ko ito kilala, si Mr. Roberto Escamagong from KC Imus.
Good afternoon, fellow Peruvians, both from this division and from the other visiting divisions. With an aptitude for finance. Along with the club board, inform and engage. The information is submitted
For 2025, do hereby turn over this gong
With determination, but with compassion and understanding.
Okay, next. The board of directors to kindly listen. Okay, thank you. The board of directors of a club is.
So let's now proceed to the pinning. So we ask
Oo, syempre. Video pala.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ulitin ko natin kasi parang hindi kayo nagkakasunod. I, my obligation, duties and responsibilities
kisig at magandang lalaki, magandang dilag na nasa inyong harapan. Siyempre po, yung pinag-recognize na po, hindi lang po ng ating distrito, hindi lang po ng mga past district governor, hanggang sa international po.
for honoring us with his presence during the mass installation ceremony of Division 4A1. Clubs, officers, and new members for the administrative year 2024-2025 of Kiwanis International Philippine Luzon District. Percentages 15.
It is always a great pride and honor to introduce a person who is not only worthy but also a man of honor. He was awarded as one of the 10 outstanding young men of the Philippines in 2019. Voted as Best Mayor of the Year 2020 by Asia Leaders Awards. Outstanding Mayor of the Philippines.
18 pa po eh. At hindi na naging active during the pandemic. Medyo nawala yung aming club in Noveleta. First time ko ulit umattend ng Kiwanis event.
Presented this 15th day of November 2024 at Imus City, Cavite, Philippines.
Matutunghayan nyo ang original live huggies para sa ating lahat. So I hope 3 o'clock pa lang nandun na kayo. Register.
For this activity, I'd like to thank again this place that we had through Mayor. Thank you and good day.
Yeah! Okay! So, wag tayong umalis. Mabuhay ang Division 4A1! Muli, maraming salamat.
Let's go, let's do the hustle. Ang pagi-pagi Kuya Luis.
Oh,